Got my brother ripping around the gas station, haha. And a little boomer. 10 o'clock, right on the smack. Seriously couldn't tell you how much snow we have. It's drifting around. The lake winds are starting to take their toll. Not coming down near as heavy as it was, but it's coming down. Nice to see his camera finally fucking holds up for me. We're at the BP station at Haynes Road in Hermantown / Piedmont Avenue. Definitely a good, no, probably a good 10 inches up on the hill here at least. Say a foot maybe next hour or so after this. Say a foot wouldn't be lying. Alright, I gotta go pee. He's gotta go close up.